Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can delete a chat on Teams. So, open up the chat tab section at your mobile app, then swipe the chat in question to the left like so, not all the way, like gently. In here, tap at the more. This one is undeletable, so as I've said earlier, tap at the more and just tap at the delete option like so. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.